Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are making lemonade braids with a heart. And I started off with spraying water and putting in leave-in conditioner to soften the hair for it not to be so dry. And I went in with my oil, my homemade oil that has been helping my girl's hair to flourish, and mine too, and also my 3-year-old toddler. So I started off with cutting out or carving out the heart shape, and I made a detailed video on how I achieved this heart shape. So this video I'm going to speed it up because I will actually show that it is a lemonade with a heart. So I started it again, but I have made a detailed video, like 7-minute video on how I achieved the heart. So I'm going to speed up this part. So please, if you want to know how I made it, please go watch that video. I'm going to put it in the description below and also in the cards. So please note that some parts in this video are speed up. They are not, I'm not in any way harsh. I have a natural hair myself, so I will not be harsh on her. So after making the heart, I will now put a thread on it to put it in a crisscross position, and then put a bead on it to beautify it, and then set it aside. And then I will start the lemonade braid proper. So this is how it looks. Isn't it pretty? Cute heart. So I'm starting off the lemonade braids, and lemonade braids is actually making it from one side of the head to the other side. And for my own, I'm not going to put any extension, which makes it unique, and it will still come out very pretty. So, and also one thing with lemonade braid, you have to be very technical in how you cut the hair or part the hair so that it will not overlap on one another. So please, I hope you stay tuned to see how I achieve that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. So we are moving very fast. I hope you stay tuned to watch it to the end, because I know you will not regret the time you spend. Thank you so much. So as I'm making the hair, I'm feeling that the hair is dry, especially when I try to cut it with the comb. I use cuts or parts, so I hope I'm not confusing. And I spray water to soften it so that it will be easier for her. And that's why I encourage moms to go natural, so that you yourself know how it feels, so that when you make your child's hair, you will be more careful. And lots of the times I blow it. I blow it because she'll be like, "Mom, blow it, blow it." I blow it because I know how it feels myself. It's not that our hair is so hard, it's just that sometimes it needs more moisture, it needs water, and it dries out so fast. So we have to understand how we can take care of our hair so that we can manage it. And I am detangling it to remove all the tangles, and then I'll put my gel on it and start braiding. So on this side, I'm going to make a single braid, which will help to make me to achieve the uniform look that I want to achieve when I finish with the lemonade braids. And watch out to see how that comes together. So I'm done with the single braid. So this is how it looks like. And our lemonade braids is coming together with the heart. So I continue braiding and we are halfway into it. I hope you like the different angles that I'm showing to make sure that you are getting how I'm making these braids. So at this point, I was at the top of her head, so I had to stand up so that I can, you know, position myself very well to be able to braid her hair. And after this, I'm gonna go to her face. But I did put in one more braid before I went to the front of her face, and there's a reason to that. It's so that I can be able to get the uniformity of how the braid should be hanging out by the side of our right face. I don't know if I'm making sense. We are in the front now. I did 2 more off camera so that I will not take y'all's time. Please, in the comments, let me know if you're a mother. How many of you knew how to make hair before you had your babies? Because for me, I started learning with this girl when she was little, and today I can make hair very well. And that is the beauty of being a mother. It helps you to learn new skills, and taking care of our hair also helped me to know how to take care of black hair. I started with perm hair, and one day this girl asked me, why is our hair not straight? And that was the day I made up my mind to go natural so that I can teach her how black hair looks like, and not just telling her, oh, our hair is not straight, when I carry something that looks like straight. So I wanted to live in our world and also feel what she's feeling, and let her also see that I am carrying natural hair, afro, beautiful coils, and also teaching her how to manage and maintain her hair. We are almost through. That lemonade is looking so juicy, so beautiful, so cute with the heart. Let me know your thoughts below because this is so good. I hope you like the video. And we did it with all natural hair, no added hair, no extension, and it comes out really amazing. Thank you so much for watching and staying up to this point, and I hope you learn how to make lemonade braids on your girls or on your clients. And we're almost done. So after that, I put beads. It was kind of late, so I put beads on the hair. I did make dinner, and I also make my little girl's hair. So I'm done with the hair. So the following morning, I use mousse on it, and after that, I will wrap it up. My son wanted it on his head too, that's why he's touching his head. So I put it, then wrap it up, and the hair came out so good. So I put a scarf on. This was the scarf that we used on that day, and when it was like, like over 15 minutes, I took it off and I put my hair oils on it to brighten it up and shine. And yeah, it is so cute. So this is it. Isn't it beautiful? And one beautiful trick with lemonade is that you know, if you know how to make it without overlapping, you're good. And I did great. Look at that. So beautiful. I love it. I don't know about you. Let me know if you love it. And I did make my girl's hair as well that evening. My 3-year-old toddler. And that weekend we had fun. I did wash my hair as well. So this was us on Easter Sunday. And these are my girls. You gonna show me your hair? Good job. Pretty. Can you see how long her hair is? Long and so healthy. Good job. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.